steps to the perfect morning routine to target visible signs of aging coming up next. Hi, my name is Debbie Savage and welcome to Thine Own Style Be True. And on this channel you will find easy style and beauty techniques to help you feel confident in life. Skincare rituals are so important. The most important daily habit should be your morning skincare routine. We pay attention to how we nourish our bodies to start off the day, but let's focus that same attention on our face. Our skincare routine will help us thrive in our skin, and after all, choosing the right products will make all the difference. For me, I'm looking for products to help me target my visible signs of aging while cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting my skin. Starting each and every day with these 6 expert-approved skincare steps will help guarantee a dewy glow. First thing in the morning, splash your face with water and then use a gentle cleanser to remove impurities that have settled during the night. I like to use Exuviance's Gentle Cleansing Cream. Its formula is gentle for sensitive and dry skin. It is a soap-free formula that is formulated to gently dissolve makeup and remove impurities. It also contains polyhydraulic acid, other skin conditioners, and botanicals which are formulated to help improve skin texture. It also hydrates your skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Using a toner is one of my favorite steps. It helps to restore your skin's pH level. Using a toner will help your skin from being dehydrated, and it will help maintain your skin's ideal moisture balance. I love using Exuviance's Moisture Balance Toner. It is an alcohol-free, gentle toner formulated with polyhydraulic acid, botanical blend, hyaluronic acid, all combined to help enhance skin clarity, texture, and to hydrate your skin. Serums are perfect for delivering active ingredients to your skin and targeting specific skincare concerns. I want a product to target all signs of aging. Using Exuviance's Age Reverse Total Correct and Sculpt Serum has improved the appearance of my fine lines and the appearance of my uneven skin tone. Its key ingredients are neoglucosamine, vitamin C, and aminophyll. My skin is firmer and it feels younger, and even the fine lines right here are less noticeable. I love using my pink rose quartz jade roller to help improve circulation and enhance the permeability of my skin when I apply my serum. It's important to keep the skin around your eyes properly hydrated because it doesn't contain any sebaceous glands to produce natural oils. Exuviance's Age Reverse Eye Contour is the perfect choice to help achieve a smooth appearance around your eyes and to avoid crow's feet. The cream can also help cushion the skin to hide dark circles. The key ingredients are polyhydraulic acid, maltobionic acid, and caffeine. Apply little cream to your brow and eye socket bone, starting from the inner corner and gently extending it out. I love using these beauty eye globes to help enhance the experience. It's perfect for the delicate areas around your eyes, depuffing the eyes and improving the circulation. Exuviance Age Reverse Day Repair SPF 30 is the perfect ultimate moisturizer. Its key ingredients include neoglucosamine and retinol, which help to firm and plump the skin to reduce the signs of wrinkles. It also contains SPF 30, which helps protect and repair your skin from sun damage, and it also targets skin's uneven pigmentation. Not only that, but it can also help diminish age spots for any of those who have them. Your neck goes through the same wear and tear as your face, but it is often ignored and is the first place to show signs of aging. This is why I take extra measures to treat my neck skin, and I love using Exuviance Age Reverse Toning Neck Cream. This baby will change your life. The key ingredients are glucosamine and citrophyll. This will help you to restore youthful firmness and add tone and definition to your skin. This moisturizing cream works really hard to smooth out the creases in your neck and reduce age spots. It is formulated to provide gentle exfoliation to diminish the appearance of uneven pigmentation. I love using this product both day and night, and I also love using it with my pink rose quartz jade roller to help alleviate tension, and it also helps improve circulation in my neck. It feels so good. This is how I care for my skin every morning, and I can tell you with persistence and perfect timing in your skincare routine are absolutely important. This is a habit that will change your life, and you will notice a difference right away by making this a regular habit and by using effective science-backed skincare products. Exuviance has improved the health of my skin and appearance with their age reverse products to target visible signs of aging. Ladies, listen to me. It is never too late to start a skincare routine, and I hope the information today has inspired you to do so. I am here to help. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!